In this video, I will guide you how to make a crew logo in Blox Fruits. Go to Roblox website and sign in with your account. Click the create button at the top. If you are not redirected to the Roblox Creator Hub, click back and try again. You can also go directly to create.roblox.com. Select creations from the side menu. Switch to the development items tab and go to decals. Click Upload Asset, then Upload. Choose the image you want to use for your Q logo and click Open. You can create a logo using like Paint, Photopea, Canva, or Photoshop. Make sure the image resolution is 1024 by 1024 for the best quality. In the name box, enter a name for your decal. This can be your Q name or something related to the logo. In the description box, add a brief description of the image. Click Upload at the bottom. Your decal may take a few minutes to process. Refresh the page if needed. Now, hover over your decal and click the three dots icon. Select Open Assets Details. Click the address bar at the top, then copy the link. Click Store at the top and select Images. In the search box, type what you are looking for and press Enter. Use filters to find specific images if needed. Click on the image you want to see. Copy the address bar link. Now, open Blox Fruits. Click the crew icon on the left. Click the logo link box. Paste the decal link using Ctrl V. Then press Enter. That's it. Now you know how to create and apply a crew logo in the Blox Fruits. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.